Hair loss is one of the most common conditions which we dermatologists see in our practice. The treatment of hair loss are mainly medications which can delay the degree of baldness. There are certain regenerative procedures which can regenerate your own hair follicles, and thirdly, hair transplant, which is a surgical approach. I, Dr. Kashish Kalra, Head of Department of Dermatology at Max Smart Hospital, Saket, take this immense pleasure to launch a new device which is called as Regenera Activa, which is a sort of autologous micrograft technique which can regenerate your own hair follicles. Well, the procedure involves taking few grafts from the back of your scalp, which is the permanent zone, and from there these grafts are placed in a specialized Regenera cone, which are then churned in this patented technology to get a solution which is rich in exosomes, progenitor cells and extracellular matrix, which is actually a homologous and autologous growth factor derived from your own scalp. This solution is then injected onto the area where the hair are thinning, and then over a period of few months you can see the regeneration of the hair follicles. Well, till date the regenerative procedures comprises of mesotherapy, PRP, GFC, which is quite well known. Now this procedure actually involves real uptake of these stem cells which are derived from the permanent zone of the scalp. So it is much potent, and if you talk about the number of sessions, you just need one session, which is actually quite sufficient for a couple of years, unlike PRP or GFC where you need to repeat it quite often. Secondly, the growth factors are around 55 billion exosomes which are derived from your own permanent zone rather than growth factors derived from the blood. So definitely if we talk about science, it is much better and much approved. So we are one of the few hospitals in North India to launch this technology. If you have any doubts or anything you want to ask, please ask me in the comment section, and you can also call our coordinator for the same. Thank you so much.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.